We have here today, March 13th, 2023, is a Bun Special video written directed by Bun Special, graphics by Bun Special, stunts by Bun Special, handcrafted with the finest ingredients, sound effects by Bun Special. And I'll put this in anyway. This video performed by Narrative John Tapped Home. The watch the hard-made video for entertainment. Yeah, this isn't about watches anyway, so I have to put this in there because that's just the way it whirls. What is this? This is a Shimano V-brake and shifter combo, I guess you'd call it. It's all in one unit. I got this off a bicycle I pulled out of the dumpster a couple years ago. And the bicycle was working. I got it to work. But one day it wouldn't shift anymore. So I was like, damn it, because everything's probably all plastic inside and it's probably a POS. But I opened it up and it just needs some oil. So, but one thing I noticed on this shifter, you don't know what gear you're in. And when I took the cover off with the screw here and the screw there, I looked up and I can see a dial in there with numbers on it. I'm like, what's going on here? So then I look at the cover, or I look at the inside. I'm like, wow, son of a bitch. There's the window to see the numbers. But you can't see anything through it. The plastic turned to crap. So this is some of the non-essential things I do. I'm going to remove this piece of plastic. Well, this has been, they have a bunch of protrusion or pins sticking up there. They molded. And the plastic piece has some holes in it. They put it on top and then they melt it down to, the pins they melt down to fix it. I was thinking about taking this plastic off, but that's just too much work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole in the center of it. Oh, where's my drills? I got all these drills. I bought these drills a while ago. These are the carbide drills, or carbide drills. So I'm going to take one of these. I can't find my electric drill. So I got to use a pin vise from one of these pin vise things and push it on through. I did this to the other one. There's two of these on this bicycle. Front and rear derailleur. And then I'm going to saw it. Here's my my saw. Where's my saw? Let me pull it out. I bought this jeweler's saw a while ago. I don't know why I bought it, but it comes in handy. I forget, there was a purpose why I bought this saw. I wanted to do something. I can't remember what I was going to use it for. I don't know. Well, maybe I'll think of it. Maybe I'll remember later on. So anyway, that's my chore for today. So I don't know. I'm going to see if I can get this done. Yeah, Shimano V-brake. I don't know if I can get a new one of these. Screw it. It's not worth it. Just remove this. Oh, and I'm going to replace it with plastic. I'm going to use... I got a water bottle here that's clear. So I'm going to cut a piece. And this thing has it looks like it has a radius that's... will fit this. This has a little bit of a radius inside, you can see, or even from the outside you see it's curved. So like I said, I did this with the other side, the rear derailleur. This is for the front derailleur. I did it for the rear derailleur, but for some reason I didn't have a clear bottle, so I used a tinted blue one. I used one of these. This one I used a tinted blue because I didn't have a clear one. And now that I have a clear one, I'm going to use clear one. I don't know if I'm going to go back and do the other one over again. Nah, I'm too lazy to do that. Oh, I'm going to use, I got some silicone sealant I'm going to use to glue it in. I'm just going to remove that window. I was tempted to keep the red thing there, but you really can't see the red thing from the outside, so I'll just remove it all. I have to find something to... with something. I tried a Sharpie red, but it's too dark. You need something light in color. So I'll work on that another time. So anyway, that's my project for now. So I'll keep you updated, I guess. Ha! Like you really want to know. Okay, so I drilled the hole, as you can see. See my finger. The next step is I'm going to cut out the plastic that's no longer transparent. And then I'll cut it and then I'll file it. I like to file it all the way around, get it as big as I can, the opening. That's what I did for the other one. So I'm going to continue on my journey now. Yeah, okay, so I don't show this setup, but you know, I put the saw blade through the hole, and now I have to cut it out. I don't know, I'll just show some strokes of the... This is a new blade too. Wow, this is sharp. Yeah, so you see I'm working my way through, so I'm not going to show it because the camera's in my way. I'm sitting behind the camera. I gotta do this. I want to get this done with. So I'll update you on the next one. Okay, so I cut out, as you can see, most of the stuff. Where did it end up? It's not on this towel. What did I do with that? Maybe it fell on the floor. Everything eventually ends up on the floor. I don't know what happened to those. Oh, there it is. There's the big piece. It ended up on the floor. Oh. Every now and then. Yeah, there's the big piece I cut out. You see part of the hole there. So I cut it out. And I cut more out. Well, there's some around the edge here, but I think I'm just going to file that. So I can remove the saw blade. I used this once on a clock too, but that's not why I bought it. I just don't remember why I bought this saw, but I'm glad I did. You know, something off eBay, probably made in China. You get the saw, and oh, I think it came with oh, here's the thing. Fresh quality saw frame set. Blah 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 blah. Oh, wait. Oh, package designed in USA, you bastards. Oh, it's made in India. India's cool. And I got a bunch. Okay, maybe it came with these, or maybe I bought these separate. Got a bunch of saw blades. This thing to me is very inexpensive. So I'm glad I bought it. So the next step, I got so much crap on this table. Next step, I got my needle files. And I don't remember what file I used. I used probably one of these with the radius on them. That one's got brass all over it. What about this one? Well, this one's got radius. Oh, this one. I see it's still got all the plastic junk still in there. I thought I cleaned this off. So I'm going to use this one next. Oh wait, did I lose? No. So what I'm going to do next is remove. I'm holding this so I can see it. I just do this until I get rid of. I'm gonna take it right up to the edge here. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm not gonna show it on camera because, like I say, I'm sitting behind the camera. So I'll keep you updated. Okay. I finished cutting it out, or filing it. The only problem I had, well, I don't, is it a problem? To me it's not a problem. Yeah, some of this plastic broke off up here while I was filing it. Like I really care. I care so much I don't even know. Oh, here's a piece of it. There's a piece of it. And where'd the other piece go? Oh, here's the other piece. Yeah, these broke off on the inside there at the top. So, yeah, I don't care. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to even glue them back in. Screw that. Next step is to take my plastic water bottle and cut a piece off of it to fit in there. So that's what I'm going to do now. That's what I'm going to do now. So you really can't see. It's in the shadow. There you go. So that's what I'm going to do now. Yeah, I forgot to do the watch thing. Even though it's not a watch video. Still wearing the review thumb, and yeah, the problem is I see the crown unscrews. Damn. I don't know, I think it's the gloves or maybe my hand motion. I don't know, but it does that. I have to check it like once or twice a day and screw it back in. Otherwise, you know, it still works. Yeah, so here's my plastic bottle. I'm not too zoomed out, but I cut the a piece out. Let me get that right. So I just have to, it's oversized, so I just have to fit it and then glue it. So that's where we stand with this. I'm not going to show myself cutting this because it's a pain in the ass to do that crap on camera. Okay, where's my tweezers? So I've trimmed it. Well, you really can't see it, can you? Because it's clear. Yeah, where's some good light reflecting. So that's the piece. I trimmed it to fit. I put 3 holes in there. So when I put my sealant or glue, maybe it will come in through the holes and help keep it locked down. I don't know. I didn't do that the first time. I said I'll try it on the second time. So there it is in place. I'm going to use this stuff. Clear RT sealant, whatever. Quality for the professional. Yeah, that's what I am. Let's see if I can do this now. I'll do this on camera, I guess. I think. I don't know. We'll see how it works out. Probably be a pain in the neck. Like everything's a pain in the neck. Oh, let's see if I can do this. Ooh. I have to. I'm going to put it on the screwdriver. Put it on the screwdriver. I can't see it now. Maybe one more glop. I don't want this crap to harden on me, so I'm going to close it up. Let's see what I can do. Get that out of my way. I gotta move it around. It's starting to solidify. I don't know. Maybe I don't have enough. Is this on the camera? I gotta have it higher than those black bumps. I think something like this, let's say. Let's see, maybe that will work. Let's see. Okay, now let me get this screwdriver so it's not touching anything. So now I got my plastic piece. And we'll, I don't know, carefully lay it down. Nah, I'm not going to do it carefully. I'm just going to, let's see. Oh, I put too much over there. You can see it's leaking through. Ah, too much. Darn it. I used too much. Oh well. Not really coming through those holes like I thought it would. Damn, I got some leakage through here. How am I going to get that out? Oh, I have another screwdriver. Let me mess up this tip. Ah. No, the first time I didn't get messy like this. What can you do? Oh well. It leaks. There's crappy around the perimeter. Maybe I can peel that off when it dries. Yeah, screw it. Let's leave it the way it is. Anyway, so this stuff takes... skins in 15 minutes, dries in an hour. Fully cured in 24 hours. Right there. Do not over tighten bolts. So I think... oh, I'm touching it. Let's leave it the way it is. Oh. Okay, I ain't gonna screw with it no more. So anyway, there it is. And it's on this side too. Well, you really can't see because it's clear. At least now you can see through it. So I'm gonna let this sit and dry. And then I'll put it on the bicycle tomorrow. Well, anyway, maybe I'll show putting it on the bicycle. So we'll call it quits for now. Okay, I'm going to assemble it. There it is, with the cover off. There's the wheel with the numbers. Oh, I'm doing this one-handed. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Oh, man. That's the other side. I replaced that one. There's the brake with the shifter. Oh wait, let's watch the shifter move. And then there's one, you can't see it because it's shade. That's it. Ah, cover goes on. Oh, let's see if we can do this. That's not very good. Oh, I got the sun behind me. Oh, how come this isn't? There you go. That's one screw. Unless I stand on the other side. I don't know what is it getting? Oh, there you go. Okay. You can't see the number, can you? Anyway, that's it. It's the bicycle. Thank you for your cooperation. Hope you enjoyed the program. Enjoy the rest of your day.